Hello and welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is Veronika Cuic and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and in this video we're going to make a very easy buckle card. Here are the products you'll need for this project. You could obviously make variations of this card using it in a landscape version, but we're going to do it in portrait. So I'm going to cut part of that front, and then the spare piece that I have, I'm going to make that a bit smaller as my little belt piece, and I'll trim it further and give it a score so that it can be used as a door mechanism for the card. If this designer series paper is not within your reach, don't panic. You can adapt the same idea or principle and use your own designer series paper to match your card, and the bee itself can be another character or image such as flowers or a birthday cake. So it's just a general idea I'm giving you on how to go about creating this buckle card in theory. So you'll need 2 strips of designer series paper, one on the front of the card and another in the belt section. I'm die cutting that small slit there. Now you can make the size bigger or smaller, and the thickness of the arm or belt part of the card as thick and small as you like. I'm making it nice and thin because I'm doing it in portrait. Towards the end of the video I'll show you an image where I've done it in landscape and used a thicker belt size. Now I've rushed this and accidentally tore the cardstock and DSP. We're going to ignore that and just keep going. The torn DSP will be covered by the punch out. Use some strong adhesive for the arm part or the mechanism. I'm going to use tear and tape. Because of the pop-out belt feature, I would not use this to sand via mail, but rather give in person. Use your bone folder to bend the belt part as you would with a ribbon. So just giving it a bit of a curl and loosening the fibres so that you can have that cute little belt effect. I end up mismeasuring the designer series paper because I was in such a hurry, but the general rule is to use 3/16 of an inch shorter than the DSP, and you've got a nice border. We're going to cut another piece of DSP as decoration inside the card. It's also going to cover the hinge part of the arm as well. A card like this with small pieces of pattern paper is a great opportunity for you to use your scraps. You'll need to use dimensionals for the cardstock so that it pops and there's room for you to feed in the arm through the buckle section. If you have more time to spare, then you could actually punch out your bee and adhere it onto the card rather than do a fussy cut of the picture. The belt part will go under the honeycomb cardstock and through the hole so that you don't see it on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Please take a moment to like it and place a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to step this card up, cut out another wing and attach it using mini glue dots for an extra pop-up. And if you have some bling, why not add some bling as well? Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy crafting.